I'm going to be showing you how to replay story in Honkai Star Rail. So in order to replay the story, what you can do is use the world map. Just access the world map. You can find the world map at the top left where you can see this round button. Just tap here and you have your world map. And what you can do is just interact with the mission marker to initiate the replay. So it's really easy. You have the option to replay within the game, unlike other games. So just visit the place where you had last completed the mission and you will have the option to replay the story itself. And the game will replay the cutscenes and dialogues from the original playthrough. Though you may have limited interaction, the story will remain the same and you will get to view all of the cutscenes that you might have missed previously while focusing on the mission. So there you go, that's how you replay story in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.